Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. In this episode of I'll Be Your Grandmother, my grandchild is making homemade pasta using a pasta machine. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is making, what are we making?
Homemade noodles.
Spaghetti noodles or pasta is another one. And we're going to be using this machine, and
the whole thing.
Yep, and the first thing we're going to do is set it up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what you think? Yep, go ahead. Ah, not that way. Not that way. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yep.
Yep, it's good. Now what you think goes next? It's very important to remain calm, cool, collective, and very encouraging with the child. Let them know that they are doing a great job even if they pick up the wrong piece. Be calm. Remember, the child is just a child and you are there to teach them. So we put the flour in. So we got the flour, putting 2 cups of flour. Go ahead. It's already pre-measured. Of course, I measured it.
That's all of it?
Yeah. So at this point, we are dealing with ingredients that could become messy. So what you do is just inform them to take their time, but also let them know that if a little spillage happens, that is no big deal. We will simply just wipe it up. Take your time.
Forgot.
There you go. Turn it. Tighten it a little bit more.
I can't.
That's good. Let's see.
That's how far
And then you got the part that goes on there.
Wrong way. Here. Check.
Good girl.
Okay.
So now we're gonna measure. We use the measuring cup. The oil goes to that line. Other words, that's 2 tablespoons. That's what they claim. So here you go. You want to pour, or you want, and me, I hold, or you want to hold and I pour and then you pour it?
Hold.
Okay. So you hold it. Now when we do this, you're going to pour it in there, okay?
In there?
Yeah. You ready? Wait a minute. Let's see if I can record you. Can you hold it up? Or, yeah, like that. Let me see. So I can record you doing it. You ready? Okay, wait a minute. And then you're going to pour it in here.
Oh, that's very cool. It looks crazy.
Look, and it went to that line, didn't it?
Yep.
Yep. Let me show everybody. It went
to the
directly.
line.
It went exactly to the line when it's sitting flat. Okay?
Okay, let me put this back in. No, do we need this too?
Okay, so then we're going to use the egg.
I'm not good at cracking.
I'm going to crack the egg first.
Okay.
Okay. And put it directly in. That's if you're good at cracking eggs. If you're not, put it in something else so there's no shit out of that egg. Okay, then we're going to mix that up. Remember the fork? Oh, look here and get your fork. I'm going to lightly mix it up. So mix that up.
Break the yolk.
Mm-hmm. And now we gotta add water. That's gonna take us to this line here that says
That line?
water, egg, liquid. That's because we have
Water, egg, liquid.
Now, if we didn't add the egg, we would have just went to this line. But since we add the egg, we're gonna go to that line. What I'm gonna do is add some water.
That water was already in there, but that was warm now because that water was cold, and then when it's cold, it gets warm.
Okay.
And then it gets
You
hot.
hold that up. No, mind.
This?
No, keep it flat. Put it back. Put it back down, so I can get the measurement right. Look like it needs just a tad more. Just a little bit more.
Done.
Take it to that line. Boom. That's it. Up a little bit with your fork.
Ooh.
Go down to the bottom. You're not really getting the bottom. There you go. Don't go too hard. We don't want to mix. We don't want to spill any. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the machine on. I want you to look to the side over there and push it up to the on position. Yes. Up. My grandchild's 5 years old, and I think that it's very important that I teach her about the measurements. It helps with math, but most definitely measurements are very important when you're dealing with recipes.
Blood, yes. Blood everywhere. Oh,
You
yeah.
can push that button all the way down.
All the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't see really well.
You notice how exciting she is just watching the noodles be created and realizing that she's the one who is making this? It's amazing. Now she's 5 years old, so of course I don't let her mess with the pots as much, okay, but I do explain and I do let her watch. So in case you're wondering, fresh pasta only takes 1 to 3 minutes to cook. Of course, I think it's irresponsible to have a child of her age around when there's something that can harm her. So she wasn't there as I poured the boiling water out. But I did let her watch from a distance. If you watched this much, please hit the thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe.